What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about the Civic Type R. This is part 2 of fixing my wrecked Honda Civic Type R. Now first, I wanted to answer a question that you guys have been sending me. Now, before I go into the question, I really appreciate all of support, all the messages, and all the little things you guys have sent me along the way. If you want to send me something, P.O. Box 40, Portland, Pennsylvania. That's where my P.O. box is. I check it once a week and I see what I get, and I get letters, I get notes, little things in here and there. Truly appreciate it. But one of the things that I keep getting asked is, hey, why don't you get a different Type R, a new one? Part this thing out, get a new one, and see where you go from there. What if you can't fix this thing and you spend all this money trying to get all these things and it doesn't work out in the end? Well, let me answer this question in a two-part way. First, it doesn't matter what happens to this car. I am not done with the Civic Type R. Now, if that means that this car can't be fixed, you know for a fact I'm going to be getting another Civic Type R, because I have so much work to be done with the Civic Type R chassis. I've loved the Civic Type R since it came out. I got one, as you see back there, and if I have to rebuild another one from new, I will do that. But the other part of that question is, I don't know whether or not the Civic is recoverable yet. And I won't be able to say that. It's a professional frame pulling company or person that does this professionally will be able to take a look at that and let me know, hey, yeah, we can do it or not. Now, one caveat to that is, I'm not rebuilding this thing back to factory specs. I am not going to be able to drive this thing on the street ever again, because one, the safety of it won't be streetable anymore, and two, it just won't be waterproof anymore. I explained to you that in my first part of the Rebuilding My Wrecked Type R series. So because of those two things, I'm going to rebuild it as a track car. It should be rebuildable in my opinion. I think it's doable. I just don't know. I need to make sure that it drives straight. I need to make sure that the structure rigidity is right, is correct. It won't be 100% factory, but it should be close enough if we get it fixed properly. And either way, we are going to have a Civic Type R. So with that said, I want to show you today a box that Acuity sent me. Super appreciative of Acuity. They sent me a box of, basically a box of goodies to not only encourage me to finish my Type R project, but also to show me what they've been working on. There's a couple of things I won't share with you guys that Acuity's working on that are super awesome. Can't wait to put it on either this Civic Type R or a new one that I buy. I'm banking on this one for now. But there's also the shifter and the shift knob I want to show you guys. I'm super excited. I know it's in the box. I don't know what else they sent me. They sent me a couple of surprise things just to show their support. And if you haven't checked them out, go check out. I'll put a link in the description below to their website. They have an awesome shifter for any stick shift or manual Honda Civic, 10th gen Honda Civic. They do upgrade bushings and things like that for other Civics. They do a really good job for the Accord as well. And they're working on a couple other things that, again, I can't share with you guys, but I'm super excited about. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open the box. Let's see what's in it. It's actually about to rain, so we're going to take this to the garage. So before we finish opening the box, I love already, purple is their color. They do a really good job with their branding. I love this branding right here. As you can see that, you're getting good stuff when your box has Acuity. Let's open her up. Here we go, boys. Love this. Again, thank you to Acuity. I mean, they do really good work. I've been wanting to get their shifter in my car for quite a while now. I've been trying to improve the shift quality of the Civic Type R. We all know the Type R has some shift issues. I think this addresses, or at least in part addresses, some of those issues. So let's go ahead and go through some of the things that we have here. We got some keychains, some stickers. Can't wait to put them on my Type R. Oh man, this is all very well packaged. You gotta love that. Now I do want to make a note. Acuity does a very good job of packaging their stuff. I mean, this was perfectly packaged. I'm actually going to save the box and reuse it to ship out some of the things I'm selling to recoup some of the cost of rebuilding my Type R. More on that in another video. So now that I took everything out of the box, here it is. Now we're gonna open these all individually, see what's inside. I'm super excited about this one right here. Yes. Wow, everything comes so well packaged. These guys know what they're doing. Look at that. Oh yeah. I love it already. And they have this in different colors. When I went on the website to order it, I could have gotten a red one or black one. I went with purple. Purple, I think, is going to be more unique. And as you can see, it matches the rest of the Acuity stuff. So purple it is. It's a race car build anyway, so I don't have to worry about matching any red carbon fiber interior bits or any of that stuff. So there it is. Isn't that really cool, guys? I think it is. It's kind of lightweight. We'll see how it works. I think it's perfectly suited to what's in this box. So let's go ahead and open this box. Actually, let's leave this for the end. What's in here is... oh, we'll just open it up here. What is in here? Aha! Some trim removal tools. You've seen me use, I have yellow ones. Now I have Acuity purple ones. Lovely. I will definitely be using these to dismantle the interior of my Type R. Very cool. Next up, we got the small little box here. As you can see here, your OEM bushings suck. Read that for a second. So I wonder what's in here. Very nice. This is their shift bushing upgrade. Highly recommended again. I've been meaning to get one for a very long time and I finally did. It's a cute Acuity sticker. Now, Acuity, the word Acuity reminds me of Acura, and it all stems from the word accuracy. And this is what this company does. They do accuracy. They want crisp and clean shifts. So, and that's what that box is all about. Now it's time to open up that box. So before we open the box up, like I said before, this works for any 10th gen Civic that has a manual in it. So for you guys that are here from when I first got my Civic hatchback in manual, my Civic hatchback Sport, yes, this works for your car. It works for the Civic Si, and it works for any manual in the 10th gen Civic. So just so you know, including the FK8 Type R. Here we go. What's in this beast? It's a heavy part. There's probably quality in there. It opens up like this. Oh, there's some packing peanuts in there. Oh, it's backwards. Oh man. So as you can see, this is definitely my first time opening this box. My first reaction to it all. And there it is. Now it's cool that they say there's an installation guide. You read this here. So the package contents, there's an install guide online. But don't worry about that. We're actually going to make a video of this. And actually there's a video already online at the Acuity YouTube channel. So check them out, of course. But yes, this. If you have a 10th gen Civic and you really want to improve that shift quality, you're going to want to use this. Let's take a close look here. Alright, let's take a close look here at this beautifully engineered piece by Acuity. I'm going to leave it in its bag since I'm not going to install it quite yet. There's still quite a bit of work I have to do to my Civic Type R. Well, we'll see if we can even fix it. I'm going to take it to my frame guy soon and we'll figure that out. And once we figure that out, if it is fixable, we'll fix it and throw this in. And if not, we'll buy another Civic Type R and throw this in immediately. You heard it here first, folks. That's the plan. But anyway, look at this. I mean, this is extremely high quality engineering. I love all their purple here. Really cool. This purple linkage there. And it's going to raise up a little bit where the shifter is, and it's gonna make it better for those of us that race their cars. And if you drive sporty like I do, you're gonna really enjoy this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you guys approve of this. I definitely cannot wait to install this in my Civic Type R. And I mean, this is super quality, guys. I mean, I really can't say enough good stuff about this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support and help you guys have sent to me, including you, Acuity. I appreciate you guys helping me out with this. This is going to be awesome in my Civic Type R. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.